What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about the good and the ugly of the brand new announced iMac. This is the iMac 24-inch with the M1 chip. Let's get into it, because for a lot of people, the design was underwhelming. Oh, it's lit! It's lit! New iMac! I'm hyped, y'all. I've been wanting this. Oh no, it still got a chin! Wait! Oh no! It was not what we expected, nor what the leakers gave us renders of. There was supposed to be no chin, but we got chin, bezel, white bezel at that, and a lot more. So let's get into it. First off, we're gonna start off talking about the ugly, the bad, the not so good. So first thing first, we all wanted the chin to go away. We've wanted this change for a very long time. I wanted it to be more ideally like an ultra wide monitor, or to look just like the Pro display, just like that. A little bit of bezel. I would have been okay with a little bit of bezel and no chin. That would have been the ideal M1 iMac that we all anticipated and were waiting for. But guess we gotta keep waiting. Now, yes, if you look at the construction of the iMac, there's important components that are down there in that chin, pretty much the full-on computing and the M1 chip and so forth. But it would have been nice, like if they would have made it a little thicker in the back. Ain't nothing wrong with a little thick in the back. I feel like Apple could have pulled it off, but I think the aim was more of that wow factor of how thin the iMac is. Honestly, to the average consumer, they walk in, they see something super thin like that, it's gonna be mesmerizing. But us, we would have preferred a thicker. Yeah, thick in the back. Come on, Tim Apple. All right, so the second bad thing about this brand new M1 iMac is the bezels, the white bezels, that is. This is totally odd and totally different. I have a theory as to why I think Apple did this. Basically, what the norm is black bezels. What's up with this white bezel stuff? Now, here's my theory and my most calculated opinion about this. I think Apple is trying to make sure that this consumer-grade iMac is seen as that. And when they come out with a higher grade, more professional iMac, you'll be able to differentiate the two. I don't think they've had that. Now, granted, the iMac Pro came in the space gray color as opposed to the silver. There was no separation from an iMac Pro to a regular iMac, like visually. And I think the direction they're going right now with this, with these untraditional colors, is gonna make it known that you have a consumer grade iMac in comparison to when you walk in and you see the Pro level iMacs, which should be coming. So that leads me to the third thing. It's not a bad thing, but it's just kind of like something to keep in mind. This is the consumer grade iMac. This is not replacing the 27-inch. This is aimed at the consumer, the people who have the nice colorful iPhone 12 and possibly want an iMac to match. At the end of the day, the ecosystem is nice, and this is a sure way of helping secure that for Apple. So it makes sense. All right, enough of the ugly. Let's talk about the good, because there is a lot of good. I don't want the bad to outshine the good. Let's just kind of focus in on what we are getting and where this thing is starting to shine. So the first good thing is it's super thin, 11.5 millimeters thin. That's dope. That's crazy. Come on, this is an all-in-one built-in computer. This will definitely be visually appeasing. The second great thing about it, being that thin and that small, is gonna be a lot lighter. I think it said it's at about 10 pounds. Like, being able to maneuver that thing around and so forth just got easier. It's as simple as that. It's a minimal computer. It's nice. This should appeal to the minimalist. The third great thing and good thing that we are getting on this is a brand new speaker system. This is a 6-speaker system, and the direction that Apple's going, the direction that they've been, has always been great quality sound. So I only see the best coming out of this brand new improved audio system. So look forward to it. The fourth good thing about this brand new iMac is it's sporting the M1. Now, the M1 in the beginning for me was like, and then I started to use it more. Like right now, I'm predominantly using this M1 Mac Mini. Haven't spoken about it. I'm gonna share a video about that because I just wanted to use it for a long term to really push it. And I found some limitations on it, but all in all, overall, the experience is great. So getting that whole M1 architecture, you can tell this is built off the same, blueprint, because only 2 Thunderbolts, same thing with the Mac Mini, MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and so forth. That's where you get to really see where this iMac is falling in line with the baseline M1 products. Oh, we got a 1080p Facetime camera, finally. Wait, I'm about to cry, Tim Apple. They finally fixed the terrible camera on the iMac? Oh my goodness. Whew. It's been a struggle for years. Finally, a decent webcam, a lot of improvements there. It's in perfect timing because right now where people rely more than ever on their FaceTime or their built-in computer camera, this is the best time for you to improve it, Apple. It just took you forever to finally do it. I'm still happy. Another thing complimenting in the audio department is those studio grade mics. Now, they added these on the iPad Pro, on the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and these things are phenomenal. So to see that cross over into the iMac, we're gonna be able to have better FaceTime video and better FaceTime audio, just the all-in-one encompassing audio experience. Gotta love it. Shout out to Apple for that. And here is another great thing, which I'm super hype about, the brand new Magic keyboards with built-in Touch ID. For so long, I've been on my iMac. Touch ID is a thing, especially when you use Apple Pay and so forth. And Touch ID is just so convenient. Ever since I've gotten it on a MacBook Pro and being able to just instantly just boom, unlock my MacBook. Boom, I could pay for something through Apple Pay. Boom, put in that password. I just greatly appreciate having that convenience. And now that it's being fully integrated into this brand new Magic Keyboard, which is gonna be working with the new iMacs, and I would presume and hope that they work with the previous iMacs, like my iMac Pro and stuff over there. But if not, I understand. I understand what's going on. But anyways, let's not go down back into the bad. Let's stay within the good. That's super dope. That's super nice. These are very nice quality, consumer grade computers, and honestly, that's what they were aiming for. I think that's why the colors are there. I think that white bezel, hopefully I'm right in saying this, is strictly for the consumer grade to help separate it from the Pro version. Us pros, we want black bezels. Tim Apple. This just shows us what the future is possibly going to have for us moving forward with the M1 architecture. I'm looking forward to the next version of the M1 chip because I want to see Apple take it even further, because this M1 chip is good, but I know that there's more. And there's more desire from pro users like me who edit video, high quality video, and I tend to tax the GPU. All in all, like, if you guys are out there and you haven't purchased your computer yet, or you've been looking into the iMac, this is looking like a great computer. I'm gonna grab one and I'm gonna use it. Like, I'm gonna make it my main device so that way I can report it back to you guys, like a week, 2 weeks, a month, and stuff like that. Yeah, but like I say, I think it's gonna fall in line with the other M1s and so forth, which have been great. But it's an iMac, it's a new design. We need to see. I need to see those bezels in person. I need to see those colors. I just need to see it in action. Oh yeah, comment down below what color you guys think I should get. Wait, oh wait, hold up. Oh, see, now this is what I'm talking about, man. Apple care about your financial literacy. Oh, they finna put podcasts behind a paywall? Wow. But just when I gave Tim Apple credit for caring about your financial literacy, player trying to charge us for podcasts, hold up. Tim over there holding his arms like this so you can see his upper, you know what I'm saying? He trying to show I see you, Tim Apple, trying to show the guns, player. Yo, Apple got that Urkel purple.
That's on me, ayy. Any day could have been dead. High school price on my head. Paranoid lying in my bed. Pray to God they don't turn my shirt cherry. I was lost, didn't know me. Introduced myself to codeine. 6 months was a dope fiend. Philly didn't even know things. There was a low me. Swear to God it would've owed me. Everything you ever told me. Everything you ever showed me. I forgot it. Caused me drama.